actual palette, which is very, very nice because this is how it looks. Oops. Celebrating Mexico's Independence Day on the 16th. Don't forget to like and subscribe. No, ¿verdad? I already said that. Why do I want to say that? I don't like it. I fucked up already. I forgot to do my brown on the bottom. No wonder I felt like it was off or whatever. So we gotta clean it off. How annoying. Oh. I knew something was wrong. How frustrating. Look. It's red, white, and green. And I did green, white, and red. Again. Celebrating the independence.
Nope.
Nope. Celebrating Mexico's Independence Day. But I don't know why this eye looks like, I don't know what it is. Estoy tuerta.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Hey babes, I hope you guys enjoyed my bloopers. They're just a little bit of me struggling recording for you guys. Just a quick announcement. I will be releasing a Halloween themed look every week of October. I'm very excited about this. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. And don't forget, always stay beautiful.